My name is Adam Farrell-Wortman, and I'm the Director of Horticulture at the Tucson Botanical Gardens. This is the Desert Hackberry, Celtis pallida. It is a native desert shrub. It is fruiting out right now, and you can eat them. They're a little sweet with a seed crunch. They're high in antioxidants, calcium, and vitamin C. These fruits are also very important to fruit-eating birds and other animals like squirrels or rabbits when they drop on the ground. The desert hackberry is deciduous, so it loses its leaves in the wintertime. It grows to be in the neighborhood between 15 to 30 feet high and can reach about 6 to 8 foot radius. It's a pretty upright shrub with multiple trunks. It is a great screening plant as its foliage is dense from ground to top. It makes a great plant to plant on the edges of your property to use as a privacy screen possibly. The plant does have thorns throughout, so we don't usually plant a plant like this right next to our house or right in the middle of the yard, but it's great for the side yards, and it's the type of plant no one wants to climb through. The leaves are eaten by caterpillars of our native butterfly and moth species, and then the flowers provide pollen and food for our native pollinators, birds, moths, butterflies. So they're all around, they'll support the wildlife of our desert community. They take much less water than your traditional hedging plants because they're native. You will probably need to add additional water depending on where you're living in Tucson, because they are native to more riparian zones. That's areas where there's water flow, like washes and river areas. But compared to other hedge plants you would be putting in, this is a very low water use plant. There are some very straightforward reasons why you would want to choose a native plant over non-native species. One is simply your water bill and being able to go through dry spells. They're plants that don't mind you taking a vacation once in a while. They don't need a lot of your intervention to be happy and healthy plants in your environment and what we want in our space without taking a lot of effort on our part.